Brush your teeth twice a day. Also, you have to leave Tybee early because of Hurricane Ian. But we did go to the crab shack, so it was all cool. I'll probably get another copy of the shirt. It's kind of wearing off the vinyl. Yeah, it's sort of flaking. So it was a short trip, but I already took a lot of pictures. This was a good vacation home too. I mean, all the vacation homes here are pretty good, so or at least the ones I've got through. Although the first one was the worst, second was the best, third one was, well, I don't even know. It was somewhere down the middle. Harry Chest, maybe? As for what I'm doing right now, I started to make like a fan comic thing for Noemi, that snake girl. So that would be cool. It'll be like a short fan comic though, only like a couple pages. And the panels will be very grid-like, so it'll be easy to read. Stay tuned for that, I guess. Check out my recent tweets for all the photos. I did the sort of mirror selfie, the vlog thing, or even confession, and last time I went here, so that's why I'm doing it now, sort of. And I'm leaving today, so at least you gotta go to the crab shack and see the birds, and the crocodiles, and the cats. It's like a little zoo. And I made the original crab shack before because that's what they always say on the merch. I don't know if they franchised or not, but I'm sure there are some other locations. Didn't get to see the lighthouse though. I got to see a lot of icons of that though. Anyway, bye.